On the very first day of summer of 2014, it was June 21st, my mom, she came to pick me up from work, and as we were heading home, we were hit by a drunk driver. Now, he was only 26 at the time, so he was quite young. I was 18, my mom was 54, and she was killed upon impact, and I was severely injured. I suffered a concussion, which led to a brain injury, a broken jaw, which broke in 3 pieces. It broke along here, and this piece was detached from the sides. I had a gash on my chin, which resulted in this scar. It was open quite a ways and visible. And I broke my collarbone as well, my wrist, my ankle, and I had internal injuries which involved lacerations on my liver and a collapsed lung, as well as some scarring on my left rib cage. I became involved with MAD a few months post-accident. After being hit by a drunk driver myself, I knew that that was an organization that I wanted to be part of, and I wanted to put my energy and resources to something that could hopefully prevent this from happening to somebody else. The London chapter of MAD Canada helped me out a lot by making me aware of where I could put my energy into, how I could feel like I was making a difference. They provided me with people that I could talk to that had similar experiences, people that could relate to me. I was 18 at the time. My dream was to be a paramedic. Now, due to the severity of all of my injuries, that dream was crushed. With everything that was going on, dealing with, a death, funeral costs, funeral planning, my injuries, traveling back and forth to the hospital, it was just too much for us to have to focus on the legal side. So we knew at that moment that we needed somebody to fight for us so that we could place our focus on myself and just my family as a whole. I was referred to Siskinds by various people that knew that I needed someone besides just myself. When I met Rasha El-Tawil for the very first time, I was in a wheelchair. I was impressed from the moment of meeting her because she accommodated that meeting. She moved things around in the office for me to get in there comfortably. She was very gentle with how she asked me questions. She didn't make me say anything that I wasn't comfortable speaking about. She provided me with a case manager, a psychologist, a counselor, and various other methods of rehab that really helped me. So I knew that I wasn't alone. I knew from that moment that I didn't have to worry about the legal side. And MAD was there with me throughout the entire process, and they continue to be there for me every day.